Hi, hi.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's.
What's up there, Tommy?
You're on Pctv. Good morning.
Good morning, PC. Good morning.
Hello, darling.
I thought you watched it. It looked like it was good. A lot of guys coming in. Good morning. More rolling in today. We're getting a crowd here already at Chihuahua. Look at this. Chevelle in her very cool Chevelle. Silverado, I mean. Excuse me. Go gang. There's my bucket of bolts. Peterson's, everybody. Patrick, here's it. Keystone's here. There we go. Good row. Here's Vicky. Our Camaro. Hi. Very cool. Porsche. Morning. Getting a row up already. A lot of people coming in. All right, in he goes, in he goes. Okay, we're filling up. Chihuahua, Cerveza, Taproom, Pctv, SCC search.
Charger, baby.
Got it. Oh, we got a caddy here too. Look at that. C10's coming in. Ambo in action.
Two-fisted, baby.
Two-fisted. Oh, the Harrises are here. Bill and Cindy are here. Look at this Model A of theirs. This is a beautiful car right here. This is something special right here.
Well, usually they're a Cuda, right? A
Barracuda.
Well, it's funny because that front grille is very similar to what the Hellfire is.
Hellcat, baby.
All right, we're starting to get filled up here. We got a Pontiac here. The Star Chief. What is this? No. Hey, it's a plain old Firebird 350.
See, we don't even get this at the donuts.
You know?
Picture of you taking a picture. The first memories are riding in a 54 Chevy 4-door.
This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Chevy right here.
My first memories riding in a car was a 54 Chevy. Yeah. You got the 4 doors, and if you had a dock that was sitting on that package tray in the back. Everybody thought it was a bobblehead.
Watch out, guys. We'll put it
Hey,
right
there
here.
they are.
Lots of footage today, guys. We got lots of folks coming in. She's following. Got a mind of its own all of a sudden. All right. Oh, that's what's going on. Looking good though. I think the girlfriend likes this one. All right. So more footage here at Chihuahua. Here we go, Nova coming in. This is a nice one at 65, it looks like, coming straight back. Just another addition to today's show. And he's in. Go, guys. We're rolling in. We're rolling in here. Don't forget Pctv. Search SCC to find me on YouTube. We're getting a good showing out here today. Oh, we got a rabbit convertible. Little whizzer. We got a whizzer. They let these bikers in all over the place here. Look at these guys. Hey, I know this guy. How you doing? Long time no see. Good to see you.
How's things?
Real good, real good. Just doing a little bit of the TV work. Well, let me get a shot of you guys together.
Life is good in Cali, baby.
Gotta love every day in SoCal.
Snowing in Oregon where I'm at. I ain't having really.
Oh, no. Yeah, I haven't seen you since Balboa, man.
Yeah.
Been a while, yeah.
Been a while.
But yeah, I got this move here.
Happy to be back. My buddy Eric invited me down.
Well, good. Oh, so you've been up in Oregon the whole
Yeah, I
time?
live there now.
Oh, where about?
Grants Pass.
Oh, man, my buddy lived there for many years.
Southern Oregon.
Okay, yeah. I'm looking at Oregon City and stuff right now, so it's good to see you. Yeah, I'm looking at Oregon City.
It's nice. I mean, I moved up there I bought a house up there like 3 years ago, I think. And
Okay.
I'm still living here. I decided to migrate up there. You know, the government in California is a little bit out of control for me.
Yeah, likewise.
Taxes, all that, the gas prices. I mean, it's $1 a gallon more here than it is up there.
I know.
What river is that you live
It's
on?
crazy.
And I bought another house on the Rogue River up there, so it's right on the water, which is awesome.
And you can get all kinds of good deals up there, and and if you're out of the fog belt, I hear if you're out of that fog belt off the coast, you're out of the fog belt, yeah.
I've got about 50 cars in my collection. Classic cars.
Yeah.
I buy a lot of cars up there.
Eclectic mix, I tell you.
Yeah.
That's
You know
so
what, I
cool.
I like what I see. When I see it, I go, I gotta have it.
Yeah.
That's just my thing. I don't necessarily go out
And there's nothing wrong with that, man.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
You know? And people say, what did you buy that for? Because I wanted it.
That's right.
Exactly right. So I mean, I do have a
Angel.
eclectic collection.
I'd love to see some photos of it
Yeah, I'll
sometime.
send them.
Okay, that'd be cool.
All right, bro.
What do
Good
you
to
know
see
about
you.
Trish's truck? Who built it?
There we go.
That's my friend.